Welcome again to Androidiya. I'm here shooting from Make Money Online. Ew, are you sure? Well, I was wondering how much people are making from YouTube. Yes, I have my own channel, but since it is recently monetized, I didn't make that much money, so I was wondering how much big YouTubers are making from YouTube. Yeah, let's discover it together. So the amount which a YouTuber takes from YouTube monthly, he cannot share it on social media, on YouTube or anywhere, since it is against YouTube algorithm. Let me share you a secret. A YouTuber told me that he bought 3 laptops, 2 phones, a car from his monthly revenue from YouTube. Keep it secret. Oh no, just don't look to my screen. My revenue is much less than I told you. Don't give up. Let's try another way. Here I created a WordPress website and I tried to make money from it. But again, it is under review. I didn't make anything from this WordPress website since it is totally new. Let's search how much people are making from a blog or a WordPress website. I can read your mind. These 2 ways are long process terms and take a lot of time to make money from. So let's jump into the third easy quick way to earn from online. So why not trying Facebook ads and Google ads? Yes, digital marketing. Digital marketing's earnings are a lot, and it is a quick way to be rich. If you at least have a good knowledge of how to run ads, even for your store, by bringing winning products and selling them for your suppliers, and the order's price, take it off, the rest of money is yours. Search about that topic, you would like it, that's for sure. Help me to grow my channel more and bring up for you a lot of topics related in this topic and more. So I need a thumbs up, hit that bell notification and subscribe to Androidiya, and thanks for watching.